3DViewStation has very nice functions to search and filter objects. So for instance, by name, by marker, PMI, attribute, search type, or color. So let's do an example, searching by name. I know my data. So I simply selected all objects which have a certain string in common in their name. Yeah. If we look here at the attributes, I can select also just by attribute value or by a key value pair of attribute name and value. If we isolate, we will get all these objects we try to select. Working with colors, that way it shows you all colors which are available, and I now select all objects which have a certain color. So my starting point is the color value, not the object itself. The most sophisticated is really the rules engine. So we can do very, very complex searches. In this case, we just search objects which have a certain color or a certain revision. Yeah, but it could also be a certain volume or a range of volume or range of dates when it has been modified the last time. So here the result will be shown, and we see either objects with a certain color, or if we click on these objects, we then see that it really has that revision which we had entered originally.